Hi guys, today I will explain how to merge account in Clipchamp. This process is really simple and easy. The first thing is open your application. Once it will be open, log in to that account in which you want to merge your account, and the benefit of it is you can combine your two accounts with another one, like you can connect it with your Google or with another one. So for this, sign in with that account, which you want to merge with another one, and then take a look on the left side, you will see multiple options. From these, click on the option settings. Now here you will see multiple options. The first one is profile name. The second one is my sign-in account. And here you can see the option of merge Clipchamp accounts. Now, in order to merge, click on it. Here are two options. This one is connect to email, and this one is connect to Google. If you want to connect with email, then click on it and write the email to which you want to connect. And by tapping on the option, connect to Google, my Google account will be open, and I can merge that with my Clipchamp. And it was the way by which you can do it easily.